Right now, I'm sitting under a shadow. It's Hazel tree, and this is one of the important place for take a rest. And previous video I also made about this. Here today sunny is quite much. For these reasons, the upper side is very bright, but this hazel tree is very important for taking rest. So in a hottest day, if you find any shady place, from there you will get the cold air. It's a natural thing, and I'm also getting a cold air from here after sitting on this soil and beside this hazel tree. And you will find also this type of environment because it's one kind of happiness for farmers who work in the field. And if they find this hazel tree, they become glorious. And they find this hazel tree length is minimum 2-3 meter, and there is also some small hazel tree beside it. This is not only one hazel tree, there are many hazel tree are available in this field, and but its hazel tree is little bit large and it looks like very good. From my early life I have been seeing this at least 5 to 6 year. I have been seeing this, but 5 to 6 years ago it was very small, its length was very teeny, but it is now very high and very high length. Due to the sunlight, this its leaf looks like green, and its everything becomes very glimpse, looks like very fantastic and beautiful also. And where the someone to look before and far away to focus at this field is very fantastic overall and very beautiful to find out. So if you are a farmer, you can understand the importance of this type of tree, hazel tree, and it must give you the plainness, it must give you the happiness also. A one kind of cold air you'll get after working a long time in the hot area. This is the fact from this. The shadow is most important for one's life. This hazel tree is only one thing that must make you important and that must make you beautifulness, and you will get a lot of happiness here. And this is a hazel tree, most important farming thing of this hazel, and you will get a fantastic looks from here after sitting. Without sitting here you cannot feel the real things of hazel tree. And of course come here to enjoy the natural things. To keep the body fit, you have to take cold, you have to take hot weather also. This is the reality. Everything is needed in one's life, otherwise it's very difficult for anyone to do better and to keep healthy and to more betterness. This is the thing, and this video must help you to talk about a schedule, that there are most things available, and of course where you will get the advantage, disadvantage also available. Like here is different kind of large grass is available. You will feel the irritations, you will have to face the irritation things. This is one of the disgusting disease for everyone. It is very hard to find out, it is very hard to remove without taking medicine. It comes especially in the hottest area after when you were sitting this type of hazel tree, and very important place here also. But by the way, I like this place. It is looked like very awesome, and it is looks very fantastic and super way in. It is very, I like this place also. And if you like this place, of course make a video, and to practice English, to develop your fluency regularly, it must help you. So day by day you can develop your speaking, and do it every time, every moment. Never waste your time. I will come back to another video with new moment. For that time keep practicing, keep growing, and come back to another video. But I still upload not only YouTube but also Facebook. If you really want to connect with my Facebook, there is a description link at above. Of course connect with me, and you can also watch my video and timeline and also other things you will get on Facebook. Or if you really want to watch the short video, laugh English short video, of course follow my Instagram account, that is also available in my description. You will find here everything and YouTube description. Also Facebook page will be available. Come back to new season, new moment. For that time, keep practicing, keep growing. Assalamu alaikum.